There you go. This is all of the wiring loom, apart from a few wires that have to go up into the dummy tank for the indicator lights, idiot lights and things like that. And hopefully, if things don't go wrong, when I press this button, we should have a start.
Not that button, the one on the left.
One on the left, that's it. Everything runs okay. That's that. And the indicators, can you do the hazards? The engine's still got to be retimed. It's on static time at the moment. And we got all the hazards working, rear lights, the trader board lights. So when I'm towing, the trader's working, the lights are working. Yeah, we've got new alternator on there. That one ain't working. Light ain't working on there. Maybe it needs earthing more.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. We've got, hang on, single button press for the headlights and dip. If I can get that in. I can't do this. Yeah, single button for dips and headlight. Need to get another bulb for the other one. Yeah, so basically that is it now. Next time we'll be putting the body on, back on again once we've got the dummy tank sorted. Okay, and well, not a lot else I'll tell you. Okay, that'll do it. Alright.